Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Eugene Tull and I am an epidemiologist and nutritionist. Unfortunately, most people who are at high risk for diabetes or already have diabetes are not aware of a condition known as insulin resistance that limits their ability to effectively control their blood sugar. There are no medications that specifically target insulin resistance. In this episode, we will address the question of whether there are any natural products that can be used to treat insulin resistance, and in doing so, improve blood sugar control. So the natural products I'm going to share with you primarily target insulin resistance, a precursor for diabetes. By targeting insulin resistance, these products can be used for both preventing diabetes and for controlling blood sugar among persons who already have diabetes. Before we identify the natural products, let's get some background information on what insulin resistance is all about and why it's important that we address it. In your body, insulin is responsible for getting sugar from the blood into the cells where it is used for energy. Some people develop a condition known as insulin resistance, in which the cells of the body become less sensitive to insulin. In the beginning, the body adjusts to the insulin resistance by producing more and more insulin. This creates a condition known as hyperinsulinemia. Hyperinsulinemia will help keep the blood sugar normal for a time. But after many years of being insulin resistant, a person's fasting blood sugar level will rise higher and higher until it reaches a level we call diabetes. There are several factors that may contribute to insulin resistance, but the main ones are 1. Becoming and remaining overweight for many years, 2. Living a sedentary, inactive lifestyle, and 3. Using ineffective ways of coping with stressful situations, and as a consequence, being exposed to chronic stress. The first of our 3 natural products that can be used to address insulin resistance and reduce the blood sugar level is found in these pods produced by banana plants. Many people are not aware that banana pods contain these flowers, which are edible. Research studies have shown that banana flowers contain chemicals that can lower blood sugar by increasing insulin production and by improving the body's sensitivity to insulin. The banana flower may be eaten raw or cooked. However, before eating, these 2 sections of the flower, which are extremely bitter, must be removed. A second natural product that can be used to address insulin resistance and lower blood sugar is found on the shelves of grocery stores all around the world. That product is avocado oil. Animal studies have shown that dietary supplementation with avocado oil can lower blood sugar by counteracting the effects of insulin resistance and improving insulin sensitivity. What this means in practical terms is that diabetic persons who add avocado oil to their diet may see improved control of their blood sugar over the long term. Avocado oil may be added to the diet by consuming it directly from the bottle or by drizzling it onto food. The third natural supplement that I recommend for controlling blood sugar is a tea brewed from mango leaves. There is research evidence that a water-based extract of mango leaves can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar. In addition, mango leaf tea supports weight loss, which can further improve blood sugar control. What this means for practical application is that diabetic and pre-diabetic persons may gain better control of their blood sugar levels by brewing tea made from 10 to 15 fresh young leaves or store-bought leaves allowing the leaves to seep overnight in the refrigerator, and consuming the tea on an empty stomach the next morning.